Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today it is not gonna be a dog video. I'm sorry to disappoint, but it is still gonna be related to dogs because today I'll be sharing you my recipe for my homemade dog food. I have 5 ingredients with salt to taste. First, I have malunggay. I googled it and it says that it is a superfood for human and it is gonna be very good for our dogs as well and any other animals in that sense. Next is carrot and potato, diced chicken breast, and cooked rice. So the procedure would be very easy. You just have to boil water just like so, then add in your diced chicken, stir it, then you cover it and wait for at least 2 minutes. Then after that, you can now add in your carrots and potatoes. Stir it, then cover it, then let it boil. Add in a little bit of salt to taste. Then you have to cover it and wait until it's tender. You can check if it is tender already using your spatula or a fork. And if it is tender already, yeah, just like that. If it is tender already, you can now add in your rice and your malunggay. Then you have to mix it. Just like so. And malunggay is easy to cook, so then voila, food is ready. So as you can see, my ginger likes it. She's very picky in terms of food. She likes lots of chicken. But as you can see, I tricked her. She is eating vegetables. And my Louie is also approving it. He loves it. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn a little bit out of this video. Thank you for watching.